In today's video, I want to introduce a very accurate indicator on TradingView, which is a perfect choice for scalping and day trading strategies. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search RSI with trend lines and SR. This one, which is written by someone named AAA Hopper. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. This indicator is a mix of RSI, trend lines on RSI, and also support and resistance levels by the help of Bollinger Bands. Here on RSI, we have two types of trend lines. In the settings of the indicator, here in the inputs tab, you can see we have settings for primary and secondary trend lines. The use case of RSI trend lines is that when they are broken, they can signal reversal points of the market. For example, when this trend line or this trend line are broken, it can give us the signal for starting point of an upside move. But in this scalping strategy that I want to explain, we don't need these trend lines. So we go to the settings of the indicator, and here we remove the trend lines. Instead of trend lines, we need Bollinger Bands support and resistance zones, so we add them to our chart. The default length of 38 for Bollinger Bands is a good choice for our strategy, and the RSI length by default is set at 9, which is again a good choice for our scalping strategy because we need more sensitivity of our RSI to catch increased volatility. And then we go here in the style tab, we scroll down, and here for oversold we set it at 20, and for overbought we set it at 80. Alright, we're done with the settings of the indicator, and let's see how we trade based on this setup. As I said, this is a scalping strategy and it's suitable for trading on 1 minute up to 15 minutes. Right now we are on 5 minutes time frame. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and the broker or exchange that you're trading, because we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. Alright, this trading strategy is a volatility based strategy, which means we wait for the times that the market becomes extremely overbought or oversold, and then when we have increased volatility in the other side, we enter a trade. We set the overbought and oversold of this indicator on 80 and 20, so we can identify extreme levels of overbought oversold conditions in the market. And we also added these support and resistance levels that are from Bollinger Bands, and they will help us to know the significant levels of RSI. Let's go to the settings of the indicator, and here in the style tab we scroll down and we remove values in the status line so we can better see overbought oversold levels. Alright, in this strategy we wait for the times that RSI breaks the support or resistance levels and then it becomes oversold or overbought. For example, here you can see that RSI broke the support level and then it went below 20. When we have this situation, we have high probability that the RSI will go back above the broken level and then advances in this direction. When RSI turns back in the middle part and closes above the broken level, which happened here at this point, our buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low and the profit target at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And on the other hand, when RSI breaks the resistance level and then it goes above 80, we have high probability for RSI to turn back and close below the broken level and decline in this direction. As I mentioned earlier, we must wait until RSI closes below the broken level. This is where the sell signal is confirmed, so we can enter a short position here at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, no trading opportunities around here. As I said, when RSI breaks a resistance level, after that it must become overbought. In other words, it must close above 80 level, like this case here, where RSI broke this resistance level and then it closed above 80. When we have this situation, we wait for RSI to close below the broken level, so the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the charts to see if we have another trading opportunity. We had a trading opportunity here at this point point where RSI broke this resistance level and then it become overbought, closing above 80 level. After that, RSI turned back and closed below the broken level. So the sell signal is confirmed here and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see. This trading strategy is very accurate, but it doesn't mean it will not give you any false signals. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping and day trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is one of the key factors for becoming a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.